Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Have a great morning, everyone. Today we will learn about animals, types of animals. Wild animals. Wild animals are animals that live in nature like jungles. Let's name the animals together. Elephants. Elephant. Tiger. Tiger. Monkey. Monkey. Snake. Snake. Panda. Panda. Rhinoceros we call rhino. Rhino. Farm animals. Farm animals are animals that are raised on farm for meat and dairy purpose. Let's name the animals together. Rabbit. Rabbit. Horse. Horse. Cow. Cow. Duck. Duck. Goat. Goat. Hen. Hen. Pet animals. Pet animals are animals that live with people and become our friends. Let's name the animals together. Fish. Fish. Hamster. Hamster. Cat. Cat. Turtle. Turtle. Parrot. Parrot. Where do they sleep? The fish sleep in a fishbowl. Fishbowl. The hamster and parrot sleeps in a cage. Cage. The cat sleeps in a basket. Basket. The turtle sleep in the aquarium. Aquarium. Fishbowl, cage, basket, aquarium. Okay, next, please complete the assignments and send it to me when it's done. Thank you. That's all for today. Alhamdulillah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to read Al-Quran. See you soon. Assalamualaikum. Ma'asalama. Ila liqa.